Good morning. Welcome to Math Physics Pro Tutor. And now we'll be looking at the topic in physics, latent heat. Okay, latent heat. Now, what's the meaning of the word latent? Let's begin from here. So I'll take you to the dictionary and we'll check for the meaning of this word latent. Okay, so follow me. Here we have our dictionary. Okay, so the word latent simply means existing or present or concealed or inactive, right? Existing or present but concealed or inactive, right? So the word latent actually means something is there but it's not active, right? It's there but it's not active. Good. Now latent heat is the heat energy required to change the state of matter without increase in temperature. Without what? An increase in temperature. So there is a change in state of matter. The state of matter is being changed, right? But there is no increase in the temperature. Now take for example, you bring out a block of ice, what we call ice block, for example, from a freezer. Now, it starts melting at 0 degrees Celsius. Immediately it starts melting. The temperature remains constant, no increase in temperature. Okay? Constant temperature at 0 degrees Celsius. Why? Because it's melting. So immediately melting begins, the temperature remains what? Constant. Even though there is still a supply of heat. Are you getting me? Even though there is still a supply of what? Of heat, right? This heat, for example, but the temperature remains constant, so we call this latent heat or fusion. All right, latent heat of what? We have latent heat of fusion, which is the heat energy required to melt 1 kilogram of a substance. Okay, latent heat of fusion. All right, it's melting a solid to a liquid at constant temperature. All right, we also have latent heat of what? Vaporization. This is the heat energy required to what? To vaporize 1 kilogram of a substance from liquid to gaseous form without increasing temperature. All right, so we also have latent heat of what? Vaporization. Latent heat of fusion and latent heat of what? Vaporization.